Miso Katsu is a beloved Japanese dish that features crispy tonkatsu fried pork topped with a rich savory red miso-based sauce. It's originally a local specialty dish from Nagoya, where dark red miso is used for cooking very often. More information and full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to make the sauce. In a small pot, add 2 different kinds of miso. The dark red miso is called hachō miso, known for its bold, salty taste with intense umami. We mix it with a regular white or brown miso. Add sugar, sake, mirin, and water, and mix well, and cook until the sauce is slightly thickened. You can also substitute with any kind of miso you have at home, and set aside. Next, we are making tonkatsu. Pound the pork with a meat tenderizer and lightly sprinkle salt, but not too much this time since we are using salty sauce today. Coat the meat with all-purpose flour, dip in egg, and then cover with panko breadcrumbs. Heat deep frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and deep fry the crumb-covered meat until the color turns golden brown on both sides. You can also watch our tonkatsu recipe video for more information. Remove from the oil and cut the pork into strips and serve with the side of shredded cabbage. And pour the sauce over the pork. The combination of the crunchy panko breaded pork and the bold, sweet and salty miso sauce is so irresistible. We hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。